Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unboxing something cool. That involves these. Right now we are waiting for the package to come. Oh, it's here. Let's go. Thank you. Got the package. It's right here. Alright, let me get back to you guys when we're inside. Alright, now that we're back inside, I'm gonna rip open this package. I already started to, but I wasn't recording because ooh, sheesh. Okay, so I just took that package out. Wait, is that the only thing in here? Yes. Oh my god. Okay, this is what we got. Do you guys see these things? So if you guys think these things are cool, they're gonna be down in the description. I got them on Amazon for 10 bucks, $5 shipping. Let me actually open these up now. Get the little plastic off of this. This is actually really nice. Yeah, I thought it was gonna come in like a little bag or something. It came in some neat wrapping. Ooh, and they feel great. And I already messed up the wrapping. Okay, so what is this? So we're gonna actually put them on the reels. So I already just put it out. So my Black Max, it's on. So my Black Max. Let's turn the camera around. 1 second. So my Black Max, it's on the Fish Eagle rod. It's gonna get the red. So we're gonna take the red out. Alright, so the Black Max is gonna get the red. The Calyx, the green Calyx is gonna get the green. The Silver Max is gonna get the whitish, black, gray, whatever you wanna call that. The SLX, Shimano SLX is gonna get the blue, black. Then my other Black Max is gonna get yellow because you know that doesn't match. It's what we got, I guess. Yeah. So I'm gonna try and figure this out really fast, or I'm gonna do that one first, just to see how you do it. And I'll be back once I know how to do one. Okay, so I decided actually to do the Calyx, the green Calyx first. It's actually really dope. The first, like, I found like a little strategy that helped me get these on easier. Is if you, at least for a second when I did it, it's super easy when you just pull like this part, you pull it, like stretch it and then slide. I was just going like this for the first time. I was just pushing on. So this is the Calyx done first. It actually looks really freaking dope. Next, I think the challenging one is gonna be. I thought the Calyx was gonna be challenging, but I think it's actually gonna be this SLX right here. Oh, and all the rest are on rods besides other Black Max. So let me get this other Black Max done, and then I should be able to do these ones. I'm back. those ones done. This one I say I got faster done than Calix. So now, let me guys give you guys the time lapse of me finishing these and so, and yeah, then. So I did not know if you guys saw it in the time lapse, but this is what they look like when they're all done. Here is a Silver Max with the silver on there. Here's the first one, or second one I did. Here is the, bro, this thing needs to move. You guys start under there, okay. Here is the DC, which, the SLX. That took the longest because how wide the freaking grips are. Here is the first one I did, which is the Calix, which I think is going to feel so much nicer because this is like a velvet, and then it goes to the plastic, which feels way better. And then we have the Black Max with the red and black. Yeah, so this is what they look like. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment what your favorite part was, also comment down below which rod or which reel looks the best with the grips on it. I don't know, because all of them look freaking fire to me, like the Calyx one looks so much better. The My Black Max with the red grips looks so much better. The DC, or the SLX, I mean, looks pretty good. The Silver Max looks good. This one's just like a freaking clown right now. But this one, I'm fine with it. Fine with it. But yeah, if you guys like the video, like and subscribe. Like I already said. To the next video. See ya.